So changing the thermostat on a 2000 era General Motors 350 engine is pretty easy because the thermostat is conveniently located right there. You can actually disconnect the hose from this side of the radiator in order to drain the hose out before you remove that little elbow there. And make sure you have something under the car to catch the antifreeze in, and wear eye protection in case there's any kind of pressure in there. You don't want to get the stuff in your eye. All you need is a 14mm socket for this nut here on the front, and a 1/2 inch socket, and some extensions for the nut on the back, and it's got to be a long socket so that it fits over there. Oh wait, there's actually 2 nuts on this one. It's another 1/2 inch. And once you have those nuts and bolts out, this elbow just simply lifts up out of the way. You can get the old thermostat out. You might need a screwdriver. If you get confused about which way your thermostat goes in, obviously you saw how I took it out, but the spring side always goes towards the block. So you just get your new thermostat, set it in there, just like that. Put the elbow back down. Put the bolts back in. Then once you reconnect your hose, you can fill your radiator, then turn your engine on, and the fluid is going to suck down, and you just keep filling it, and it's kind of bleeding itself right now. There's a bleed screw somewhere up here. I guess you probably just use that thermostat to bleed the coolant system, and then you can take it for a ride and see how it works. Now my temp gauge is going up like it should, and my heat's working, and my temp gauge would stay under 100 before, so it was definitely the thermostat that was causing that. So there you go. Thanks for watching. One way to tell if your thermostat is bad is if you grab one hose and then grab the hose on the other side while the engine is warm, and one hose is cold and one hose is warm, then your thermostat is not opening properly.